Moving on to a category which touches lives quite literally, the TCT Healthcare Application Award celebrates those who bring hope and healing through groundbreaking innovations. The highly commended project in this category is Mimics Enlight CMF by Materialise. But the winner of the TCT Healthcare Application Award 2025, sponsored by MedTech Insights, is Ceramic Jaw Implant by Lithoz. In partnership with Agnes Med, BTI, Biotechnology Institute, Kepler University Hospital, Medical University of Vienna, and Profactor. Congratulations to them.
So here I am. We're not supposed to do any speech, so I'm a marketing guy. I have to do a speech. Thank you very much for this great honor. I have to say I'm a bit excited. What I also wanted to mention is that we are talking about ceramics here. It's, well, in that case, it's bioceramics, it's zirconia. It's extremely difficult to process this kind of technical ceramics on a 3D printer. So my deepest respect goes to our developers and to our application team in Vienna. And I think it's their prize, and I'm really impressed, and I'm greatly honored to work for this company. Thank you very much.